Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A05 for unboxing. This phone has 4GB RAM and 64GB memory, and it's also come in 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. It has 95 gram weight and the LCD size is 6.7 LCD size, and it has 50 megapixel back camera. So let's unbox it. So just break the seal from there first, and then we need to do from the bottom too. So let's slide in and open. So this is normal Samsung packing. It's a thin packing. Of course, it don't have the block, the charging block I'm talking about. So let's take out this thing, and it says Samsung A05 dual camera battery, which is normal for all things. The packing material is very cheap. You can see it's very cheap material used. This is a SIM tool. So let's take out this thing out. Now look at this, what is inside. So this one is open. You can open this one. It has the manual and the charging cable for this, which is type C to C, but the quality is not as good as which is in Galaxy series comes. So look at this, type C to C, and let's unwrap the Samsung A05. So this is a Samsung A05. Look at the back camera. These are a couple of cameras here. The bottom has the same thing with the Samsung, but this one has an audio jack also, which is very rare nowadays. And same tool, same tray. There's a up mic, volume up and down button, and here's a power button. So let's turn on and let's see how it look like. So it is taking a little time to turn on. While it's turning on, look at the back. It's a plastic bag, but it has lines here, which is braided kind of texture. So this one is here. Look at the thickness, and here is a type C charger. So that's kind of thick phone, but in that price range is good. So this is, it says some Spanish, so let's turn into the English so we can read that. I think I incidentally pressed something. So I'm just putting, after setting up the English, let's set up. That's a standard thing for the all Samsung. Sometimes Samsung wants you to put the carrier SIM card to unlock it, but this phone didn't ask for that. So which means, look at this. The screen size is very good, but of course the quality of the screen is not good as Galaxy series, but you can find the big edges inside, which is not edge to edge screen. You can see that's almost half an inch, and this is, so the technically screen is 6.7 inches, but its usable inch screen I think is in 6 or 6.2. So here is the first look of that thing. Look at this. Look at this thing. So it's a very good reasonable phone for that price, and the price I will show on the screen right now. So look at this and test the camera. Let's see the camera, how it look. So this is a camera. So let's try the zoom. So that's the zoom. That's it. And it says on the top is a 12 megapixel, and now it's turned to the 50 megapixel. And there is no zoom on the 50 megapixel. It says you cannot zoom. That's interesting. So let me know if you like that video, and see you in the next video.